Hello again, this is Teacher Mary and welcome to our 7 days reading challenge. So for today's lesson, we're going to be talking about going to the zoo. So let me open our book. If you want to see our activity, then you can visit our website at www.bmreadingacademy.com. Then click 7 days reading challenge, day 1, and you can see this. Okay, so this is the recorded video. Then let's dive in with our lesson. Okay, let me share another file. Okay, so going to the zoo. She goes to the zoo. This is wrong spelling. She goes to the zoo. Let me clear that out. Okay. She sees a lion. The lion roars. She sees an elephant. The elephant has a long trunk. Okay. She sees a turtle. The turtle is slow. She sees a rabbit. The rabbit has soft fur. Look at that. This is a soft fur. She sees a gorilla. The gorilla is eating a banana. Okay, so for the activity, you can go to our website again. Let me share it to you. Then, then download this day 1, which is going to the zoo. So we also have comprehensive questions here. So you can ask your kids to answer the following comprehensive questions, like this one. If you need some guidance, you can also watch our video, which will be recorded later. Okay, so check that out, and I'll see you again to our day 2. Have a great day.